Welcome to J&J's video of S8HU348, an 08H2 SUT. Hit hard in the nose. It runs 138,000 miles on it. It's all there. Some of the stuff's different, some of the stuff's the same. But it does have a 6.2 running, starting up 6.2. Let you listen to it. See if she gives us the odometer. Wilson. CD works, and that'll be that. Nope. Alright, always some. Oh, sunroof. Can't forget the H2 sunroofs and the fold mirrors. Oh, Lord. Show you the folded mirrors. There you go. As always, thank you for watching.